Royal Crown Derby manufactures English fine bone china of the highest quality from its 4.5-acre factory site in Derby. The present factory was established in 1878, but the company origins date back to 1750. The royal warrant was granted by Queen Victoria in 1890. Royal Crown Derby produces bone china tableware, giftware and collectibles for sale primarily in retail outlets and department stores, both in the UK and overseas. The company also runs a popular visitor centre, providing factory tours, demonstrations, a museum, a shop and a restaurant. IT manager John Woolliscroft explains how EFACS E8 has helped Royal Crown Derby.
Back in 2000, Royal Crown Derby used to be part of Royal Dalton, and Mr Gibson did a management buyout. Up until then, Royal Crown Derby was just a factory with a small design department. All the sales, dispatching, invoicing, forecasting, production planning, purchase ordering and finance were done in Stoke-on-Trent. All the computers that we had at Royal Crown Derby were connected to the main server at Stoke-on-Trent. When we did the buyout, we had to get the system up and running locally in 3 months, otherwise there was massive financial penalties. KPMG helped Royal Crown Derby with the buyout and also helped us choose a software supplier. We eventually chose Excel for a number of reasons. They were a local supplier based just down the road. They were the authors of the software, so if we had a problem we could sort it straight away. And also the system's functionality meant we could go live without many major mods. They were also prepared to put the level of service and support in to help us go live within the 3-month time scale. We went live first week in October, as planned, and we were dispatching on the same day. We managed to run MRP within the first week, and we were recording bookings from various levels of the factory immediately, so we could do stock queries on real-time system as opposed to batch as before. In the old days, before we put EFACS in, delivery times used to be up to 12 months. Customers would place orders in January, February, hopefully to get them for Christmas. Since we've implemented EFACS, we've reduced our stocks in the warehouse, but we've actually managed to supply our customers within 14 days for the general run-of-the-mill items. For specials, it's now up to about 3 months, but that's as long as it actually takes to go through the factory. Our customers are happier because they know when they place an order, they'll get it within 14 days, and therefore they can reduce their stocks. We're happier because we now make what we need to make according to what our customers want, and we don't spend time making things that customers don't want and filling up our warehouse with stuff that we don't need. So therefore we've reduced our stock holding by at least half. Because we've kept our customers happy, we managed to keep our turnover constant for the last 5 years, when everybody else in the market has been really struggling. So we're quite happy with the way EFACS has helped us. After implementing EFACS in the factory, we give it a couple of months to bed in. We then started on the factory shop, where we got the retail system from EFACS and 4 tills, which are actually PCs with till drawers, and it works quite well. It's fully integrated with EFACS, so when we run out of stock in the shop, or when we're running out of stock in the shop, we know to reorder it, and the factory produces it for us right on time. 12 months after implementing EFACS in the shop, we took the USA market off Royal Dalton, and we set up a database on our system in the UK for the USA, and now we take EDI orders in from America, import into the UK and the USA database, and fulfill orders direct from UK straight to American customers, and our customers are very happy over there. One system we've implemented outside of the main EFACS is the Collectors Guild. This is using the facilities that EFACS allows us to use to create new system functionality. And this allows us to keep track of all our members of the Collectors Guild when their renewals are coming up, and allows us to mail shop for important information when we've got new releases and so on.